Spain invests €4 billion in Halcon II Eurofighter program to strengthen air and space force capabilities. The Spanish Ministry of Defense has advanced the Halcon II program, securing the acquisition of 25 new Eurofighter aircraft for the Air and Space Force. The government recently approved a total expenditure of €4.593 billion, allocating €4 billion to the Halcon II program and €593.6 million to address needs under the Halcon I program, which involves 20 Eurofighters for the Gando base in Gran Canaria. This latest batch of 25 Eurofighters will include 21 single-seat and 4 twin-seat aircraft, set to replace part of the aging F-18 fleet. The budget also covers an initial logistics package, ML2 maintenance level, and 2 high-fidelity simulation systems, complete with supporting infrastructure. The contract, currently being finalized, will be presented to the Council of Ministers for final approval. Deliveries for the Halcon II program are expected to begin in 2030, reinforcing Spain's air power capabilities and strengthening its standing in NATO operations. Alongside the Halcon I program, which begins deliveries in 2026, the total of 45 Eurofighters ordered since 2022 represents a major upgrade to Spain's fleet. Mike Elhorn, CEO of Airbus Defence and Space, commented on the significance of the agreement. The Eurofighter is the most advanced and the most successful fighter jet from European production and is the backbone of European air superiority. It is also a symbol of industrial cooperation between nations and companies, an example of how Europe can work in our current defense context. The Eurofighters will feature advanced avionics, electronically scanning radar E-scan, and cutting-edge weapons systems capable of deploying Brimstone 3 and full Meteor missiles. Although specific configuration details remain undisclosed, these enhancements will bring Spain's defense capabilities to the forefront of European military technology. Spain's Airbus head office site, near Madrid, will assemble, test, and deliver the aircraft, supporting more than 16,000 direct and indirect jobs in the country. The program also secures significant employment across Europe, with the Eurofighter initiative sustaining over 100,000 jobs continent-wide. Spain has operated Eurofighters since 2003, with current bases at Morón near Seville and Los Llanos in Albacete. The Gando